Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, a few videos ago we showed you how to embed a YouTube video and mute the audio and have it autoplay. If I just scroll down, we've got one of those going down here, as you can see. And we had a question. Somebody was asking, well, how do you get it to loop round and round? Well, hopefully this one will loop. Let's make sure. Let's get to right to the end. There's the end. And it's starting up again. So we've got to do a little bit of coding for this today. And this will only work on an embed. You can't do it with the video module. And this will work for any website, not just the Divi theme. So let's get started. First thing I want to do is enable the Visual Builder. And let's go down and delete this little module here. I've just got a simple code block inside a row with one column in it. So let's just get rid of that code block and we'll start from scratch. I'm going to add a code block, and if you're not using the Divi theme, you can do this just simple with a text block in text mode rather than edit mode. So I've got a little video up here. Hit the share button at the bottom. I'm sure you know how to do this. From the look of the counts on this video, I think I should be making dog videos. Okay, and here's the embed code. Let's copy that. And let's put that embed code in our little code module here. And as you can see, it's popped up the little video down there. Okay, well that's going to play when we hit the button. But let's make it loop, and to do this we got to just modify our code a little bit. Right after the URL of the video itself, which is this part in between inverted commas there, I'm going to write question mark playlist equals, and I've got to give it the ID of the actual video itself, which is this right here. Although it's not a playlist, we got to sort of tell it it's a playlist of itself. And then after we've done that, we want to say and or ampersand loop equals 1. So this should now make it loop when we play it. So let's just move this out of the way. Play the video. And let's get right to the end. There we go. And it's started right back up at the beginning again, which is just what we want. So let's pause that one. Which is great, but I'm sure you probably want to mute the audio, and you may want to have it autoplay. So if you want to do that as well, right after the loop 1 inside that inverted comma there, we're going to put 2 more ampersands. So we're going to say and we're going to say autoplay equals 1. And as you can see, that started auto playing, which is great. But we can still hear that young lady talking, and we might want to lose the audio, because if you have videos playing automatically and you've got audio going on them, it can get a little tedious for people. But that's entirely up to you. So after the 1 of autoplay equals 1, I'm going to put another ampersand. I'm going to say mute equals 1. So now we've got it auto playing and we've got no audio, and if I go to the end, it should just loop back round again. There we go, and it's gone back to the beginning. Oh no, that's the end. Here's the beginning. It's looped back round again. So there you go. I hope that's answered your question, and I'll put an example of this code up, and I'll put your video ID here or something like that, so you can modify it for your own. So let's just make sure this is going to work on the front end. We'll save this. Save our changes. And exit the Visual Builder. And let's go down, and our video should be playing. Yeah, it's playing, and there's no sound. Let's roll it up to the end. There's the end, and it starts right back up again. So there you go. I hope that's answered your question, how to autoplay and loop and mute a YouTube video on your website. So I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and WebDesignerTechTips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.